Yep, just start bringing in the other ones. Right there. Stay right there. All right, start cranking. Start heading back that way. Just make a turn out to your right. Just slowly, just make that turn. Damn, sand eels galore. These always get. That's some blood right there. Alright guys,
Close, let me know.
we're in the middle of tuna feed right now. They're busting on sand eels. I threw out a miracle minnow and got instant tight. Yeah. So right here is the strong side.
Yeah.
You'll take some?
Yeah.
He's like, that's the strong side right now. I'll get him when he comes around on his weak side. He didn't like the side of the blue.
Nope.
Nope, 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 nope.